A couple weeks ago we went on a shakedown trip and we found a few things that were wrong with the pop-up, and today we're going to start going through those things. And the first thing we're going to attack is we're going to put a battery disconnect and a solar charger on the battery, and then we're going to put a new converter in, and we're going to do a few other things too. So follow along with us. So yesterday I took the advantage of putting the tabs on our solar panel. It's going to be for the solar battery charger, and now we're going to mount that onto the roof of the pop-up. There you go, take your time. Well, that'll work. All the way through, but I'm pretty sure it probably did. Okay, now how are we looking underneath? Is it hitting anywhere underneath?
Too high up. I'll break the keys to the battery. No, plenty.
We're good?
Yeah. There's lots of
Alrighty.
clears.
Alright, now what we want to do,
Yeah, we put a little
dab of this on there around that hole.
Is it ready? Did you twist through the thing?
There we go. You probably want to put more than that around it.
There, hold it, take it.
I'm thinking you're going to want to put more around there than that. I want it coated real well. I know it's underneath the panel, but
you got you. Here, get me a paper towel.
Coat it up real good.
Let's see.
That's good right there. Just keep coating it. There you go. You got plenty of it out there. Now you can smooshy it around. There you go.
I think I got some on the back of the thing.
It ain't gonna hurt it. Okay. Just a nice little coating of goo on there.
Oh, that's good.
It'll be good.
Push it down.
Just set it in there. Yeah, it'll push it and mush it.
All right. Oops.
All right, that's good. All right, that's good.
I did, like you can't even see where it goes.
Good, that's what we want right there. We want to make sure that that is completely covered.
So Corey said, goop it. It's gooped. I put it on there like I was icing a cake. So another thing we need to do is replace these end caps. They're pretty well shot. You can see that they're cracked. So we bought them, and we're gonna start doing that.
Hang on, let me see what kind of bit I got. Don't cut yourself, honey. Sometimes it just requires manual labor.
So after some scraping and pulling, we got all the old gunk off and we put this new tape in that we got with our little kit. And now we're gonna put it on. See if I can do this. This 8-hour battery, I think I'm going the wrong way.
No, you're going the right way.
Yeah,
Now you're going the wrong way.
So this is the finished product. We went with Flex Steel instead of the putty tape that came with the kit, only because it just, I don't know, this just seems to seal it better. And we know we got to keep the water out. So, I don't think it looks half bad. It looks better than it did. At least it's covered.
All right, so we got all the corners done. Which that looks a whole lot better than it did.
We don't have to worry about water now.
Yeah.
Super excited about this thing. Hopefully it'll work. Let's see.
You remember which way was up?
No. Clockwise.
Okay, hang on.
Hang on. It attaches to the drill.
I think it's strong enough.
Aww. The drill's not strong enough?
The drill's not strong enough.
I guess we have to buy a stronger drill.
I don't know if we can see you underneath there, but
I can't.
there's part of it. Right?
Yeah. Hope that wasn't poop. I didn't know you were right there. So I'm breaking off this little lip. Can't see the top of it. I think I got it.
You can use a screwdriver to try to pry it off too.
Ew.
What?
Nothing. I'm being a smart aleck. So we need to replace this because it doesn't fit in the hoses at the campgrounds. So I got underneath the pop-up and cut the pipe using this thing.
Don't cut yourself.
I won't. Using this thing, and I cut it off. And now I'm gonna put a new one on.
Just get it to where it's hanging all the way down. Huh?
It goes over that, so I do
Right.
the inside of this and the outside of that.
Right. And just make sure that whenever you stop twisting on it, that pipe is hanging down.
This stuff everywhere.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I've never seen a plumber be neat with plumbing glue. And right now you're a plumber.
How do you want it goes on like this?
Yeah, like that, and make sure that the gate is open. And try not to get any...
Gate is open.
Yeah, make sure you try not to get any glue inside that gate.
Just keep it right in here.
Right.
Okay. I didn't know.
These rocks don't make anything easier, do they?
I know. God, I hope I do this right.
I'm sure you will. You did the other half fine.
This goes on the
outside of that.
Okay.
My wife, the little plumber.
this goes around here.
Uh-huh. Remember, keep that edge tilted down so it doesn't drain into the gate.
All right. Oops.
Keep that tilted down. Right now you have it like a bowl. No. Yeah, keep it like that, but tilt it down. No. Keep it tilted where, yeah, like that. So it doesn't dry, so it doesn't drip into the gate. Tilt it down, tilt it down.
Close it up, close it up.
And don't try not to overload it.
I can't see, so here goes.
There we go.
There we go.
Now we can strap that up later. Guess what? We just changed the arrangement on our gray tank drain, or our drain.
That's fun.
So now we can go into the schwagen.
I'm learning all kinds of new stuff.
How about that?
Yeah.
Feel like a plumber yet?
Come on, not totally. Is my... Never mind.
I'm really sad that I didn't get a video of Crystal underneath there with the sawzall cutting the pipe off. But you got to see the end result. That's all that really matters, right?
Yep.
And put that end on. Try to straighten it a little bit. Pull that little cap off this end and screw the other side on. Alright, now turn that valve on. And it should tell us how much we got. How about that?
Turn it off?
Yep.
This is a present I bought you.
A present you bought
present
me.
I bought you that you gotta put on.
Oh.
So we have a nice, neat little door for our
For power.
yeah. It's the
Lord knows we needed one.
square electric cable hatch.
Yeah.
Hopefully
we'll
it'll fit.
We can put it on. Now we got saws.
We did this battery disconnect. So that's what we did. Repaired the end caps, put on solar panel, attached the battery disconnect, and fixed the gray water tank connect.